Hello everyone. Today we will discuss some of important questions regarding open channel flow which is asked in the previous gate examination in 2024, and those points are most important as because it's in the trend, and in the this is basically the critical depth they are asked for the trend transition. So these are really important, and every year in gate examination they are asked a few questions, and it is definite that in coming year also they will ask minimum 3 to 5 number of questions from open channel flow. So let's practice. Channel transition is one of the most important area. Second one is the critical depth. In every year they are asked for the critical depth. Okay, let's begin. A rectangular channel is 4 meter wide and carries a discharge of 2 meter cube per second. Rectangular channel. Let's consider a rectangular channel. Okay, of 4 meter wide, and the channel transition 4 meter wide and carry a discharge and 4 meter wide. Discharge is given. There is a discharge Q equal to 2 meter cube second with a concentration and depth is 0.4. Okay, the channel transition maximum downstream. Okay, if you see the plan of the situation they have given this way. Okay, this is y1 section, this is y2 section, this is y1, this is y2. Because the transition of the downstream without influence the upstream flow condition, depth divided the maximum width in meter at maximum contraction. They're looking for, they ask for this in meter and 2 decimal. Okay, let's write the energy equation. This case energy is equal to what? Energy equal to y1. Energy in every, we know no energy at section y1 equal to y2. So in that case y1 equal to E1 equal to y1 b square by 2g. In our case y1 is 0.4 plus v square. V means what? As you know, no? Q equal to AV, then Q equal to A means what? A means B into Y into V. Okay, then Q by B equal to YV. Q by B means what? Q equal to YV. If it is Q, then V means what? Q by Y equal to V. Then it will be Q by Y whole square by 2g. Then 0.4 plus Q means what? This will become 2 divided by Y. Q by Y means 2 by 4 into 0.4 whole square divided by 2 into 9.81. Then let's calculate the value. The value become 0.4. How it come? 0.4 become 0.4796. Now they are looking for the maximum contraction. Okay. In that situation we know that maximum contraction will be happening in the critical condition. Then in that condition E1 is equal to EC. Okay, E1 is equal to EC, and EC equal to 3 by 2 into YC. Okay, find out the value of YC. Then energy is 0.4796 equal to 3 by 2 into YC. Then value of YC, let me find out value of YC. Then YC is equal to 0.3197. Okay, if it is 3197, then find out the value of width in the critical condition. Okay, in the critical condition, depth YC is equal to Q square by G into 1 by 3. This is well known to everyone. Then we write in this fashion: Y cube is equal to Q square by G. Q means what? Q means Q by P whole square by G equal to YC cube. That we can write that down in such way: YC cube into G equal to Q square by V square. Okay, then B square equal to Q square by YC cube into G. Okay, then B is equal to root under Y. Q is given 2. Q is given what? They have given Q is equal to 2. Then 2 square divided by YC already calculated. YC is 0.3197 cube into 9.81. Just calculate the value. What is big? It's become around root under 12.478. Then calculate the next step. 12.478. It's become 3.532, and that's the answer. In every year, this domain is most important. They are asking for find out the value of critical depth, find out the value of the fraud number, and these are important in a different terminology they are using, but every year they are asking for in the same area. So open channel flow is one of the most important area. In the upcoming year also we are expecting the same. In the previous 2 to 3 years, in the 2023, 22 and 21 also they have asked. So I think this area is most important. Okay, let's practice the second one. That will become 3.53. Okay, 3.53. Next, a wide rectangular 2 meter wide rectangular channel. Okay, it's a 2 meter wide rectangular channel. 2 meter wide rectangular channel is carrying a discharge is given to 30 meter cube per second. Okay, at a bed slope, slope is also given. S is equal to 1 by 300. Assuming the energy factor, okay, energy factor is given 1.1, and the acceleration due to gravity is G is given 10, and the critical depth of the fluid, they are asking the same question. If YC is critical depth, they are asking for why, as we already mentioned in the earlier problem. YC is equal to Q square by G to the power 1 by 3, and the most important, they have added one additional point, that is correction factor. For correction factor, this is alpha is equal to 1.1 they have given. So just put the alpha over here. That's your problem. Just put all the values what they have provided and solve it. 1.1 to Q is also given, q in the term of the total discharge, then q become 30 by 2 meter is 15, okay, into 15 square by 10. Just calculate and the value, and it's become 24.75 1 by 3. They put the value is become 2.91. That's your answer in the 2.91. That's it. So these are the few easiest question they have asked. And the third question they have asked: a spillway has unit discharge. This is not discharge, it's a unit discharge. Okay, this is important term, unit discharge. So most of my students make the mistake on this term. It's called unit discharge. Okay, so they have given that unit discharge Q is equal to 7.5, and the flow depth of the downstream flow depth y1 equal to 0.5 meter. The trail water meter the required hydraulic jump, they are looking for y2. This is just a formula based equation they have asked for. Y2 means what? Y2 is equal to y1 by 2 into 1 into rotunda 1 plus 8 f1 square minus 1. That's it. And another term is f1. You know y1, you know everything. That's the one term you don't know. This is f1. F1 is Froude number. Froude number means what? V by root g into y1. How to find out the v? We will find out v. V means q by y1 by root under g y1. Put all the value, everything is given to you. Now you know the q, you know u y1. Put the value. Q means 7.5, y1 is 0.5, root under g given on, then we put 9.81, and the y1 is also known 0.5. Then put the value, then it becomes 6.77. Now you just put the value on in this equation. Y2 is equal to y1 by 2 into root under 1 plus 8 f1 square minus 1. You know y1, you know. Now everything is given to you. Just put the value. y1 is given 0.5, then 8 f1 is 6.7.